Didn't seem to have the hot wheels that machine, it's like a default. You missed the starting gun forever.